Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's DXB Petrolhead here, and today I'm super excited to share with you a video of my desert drive from last week, whether you're a new subscriber or a returning viewer. I want to thank you for tuning in and joining me on this journey. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date with my latest videos. Without further ado, let's jump right into today's adventure. Introducing the mighty Ford Raptor, the ultimate off-road performance machine. The Ford Raptor is equipped with a 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 engine that produces 450 horsepower and 510 lb-ft of torque. This engine is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission that features paddle shifters, allowing you to easily shift gears on the fly. The Raptor's suspension is specially designed for off-road use. It features an independent double wishbone setup with Fox-Slide valve monotube shocks in the front, and a solid axle with leaf springs, and Fox-Slide valve monotube shocks in the rear. This setup helps to absorb shock and keep the truck stable on rough terrain. So whether you're looking to take on the toughest trails or simply dominate the open road, the Ford Raptor is the perfect vehicle for the job. Get yours today and experience the ultimate off-road adventure.